Hi students, let's look at this question which is on Surds as well. So you are told to actually to simplify the following Surds. To put it short, you need to rationalize the denominator. We'll see how we can do this. So now for this part here, we're gonna just write this down for root 5 minus 3. Now the thing is, if you want to rationalize the denominator, what we would do is actually multiply with the conjugate surds. Conjugate surds will mean that you just need to multiply with the same thing, but we're going to put 5 and just swap the negative to positive, so it'll be positive 3. Okay, actually you just swap one of the sign, so usually we swap the negative, so or the positive to negative, right, the one in between. Now the rationale of using this is because we want to use this expression here, minus b squared equals to a squared minus b squared. Okay, so you could imagine that because this is a minus b and this is a plus b, so that's the reason why this will become root 5 square minus sorry, what am I doing? When we're going to use a minus v, a plus v is equals to a square minus v square. All right, so that's the reason why we will get 5 square minus root 5 square minus 3 square. So for here, this case here, what we can get is actually 2. For the top, will just remain the same, root 5 plus 3. So whereas the bottom will be root 5 square minus 3 square. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Then this will be 2 root 5 plus 6 over 5 minus 9. That's how we rationalize the denominator. Realize that now the denominator, it changes from a surd form into in a number form, right? So that's the number that you get, right? Okay, so this part here, once you get it ready, this will be 2 root 5 plus 6, and this will be minus 4. Okay, so what I'm going to do is actually just going to put root 5 here and 4 plus 6 over 4 over here. Okay, so 2 over 4, this will be just negative 1 over 2 root 5 plus 6 over 4, 6 over 4, which is actually 3 over 2. That's how you solve this question here. All right, let's look at the second part, which is b. B would be the similar things, which is to multiply the denominator with its conjugate root, conjugate surds. So this part here will be multiplied with root 2 plus 5. All right, so this is the important part. So this is root 2 plus 5 as well. So once you've done that, the one denominator, we're going to use a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, and the one on top we just multiply with 10 root 2 plus 10 times 5, right? So that's 50 actually. So 10 root 2 plus 50 over 2 minus 25. So this will be negative 23. So this will be 10 root 2 plus 50 negative 23. Okay, so this part here, what we could do is just leave it as such, right? It's fine. So 10, this negative, bring it out, plus 50 over 23. Okay, so this is how you solve this question here proficiently. Let's look at the last part, which is also to rationalize the denominator. So this is 3 root 7 minus 1. So we should multiply the denominator with the surds, which is actually 3 root 7 plus 1, and the top will be 3 root 7 plus 1 as well. So this part here, what we're going to get is actually just this over here will be 3 root 7 square minus 1 square, and this will be 24 root 7 plus 8 when you distribute it in, right? So 8 times 3 will be 24 root 7, 8 times 8. So this part here, once we get it, 3 root 7 will be just be mindful of this. So some students would this square, so some students, this is 9 times 7. Some students would forget to square the 3. So you could actually put your calculator in here and see that you get your answer as 63. So this is 63 minus 1. All right, the other thing is I forgot to mention that you could actually check your calculator whether your answer is correct or not, right? So let me just simplify this, and everything could be divided with 2. So I'm just gonna split this up. So this will be 24 divided by 62, which is 12 over 31 root 7 plus 8 over 62, which is 4 over 31. Alright, so how do we check whether my answer is correct? What I'm going to do is actually I'm going to key in calculator for this expression here, which is actually 8 over 3 root 7 minus 1, and you key in, you get this answer here. Then you try and key in your answer that you've got that you got in the exam. So this is root 7 and plus 4 over 31. Okay, hopefully you get the same decimal point. There you go. You see that doesn't change, so it means your answer is correct. So this is how you do this question here professionally. Any question or comments, please do let us know, and I'll see you in the next question.